2 leading email marketing platforms for 2025. Who truly meets your needs? ConvertKit or Drip? On the left, ConvertKit. Email marketing built for creators. On the right, Drip. E-commerce marketing automation made powerful. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what really matters for your business. We'll score each category point by point, so you'll clearly see who comes out on top. And the winner just might surprise you.
All right, here's how we're going to roll. We'll look at pricing, automation, segmentation and tagging, analytics and reporting, integrations, e-commerce features, ease of use, and, oh, can't forget, customer support. Basically, all the stuff you actually care about when picking one of these platforms. Okay, first up, pricing. ConvertKit starts at $29 a month for up to 500 subscribers, which is honestly not bad for creators just starting out. The plans are pretty straightforward, but gotta be real here, if you want the advanced stuff, you do have to go for the higher tiers. Drip, on the other hand, charges $39 a month for the same number of subscribers. So yeah, it's about 25% pricier for comparable list sizes. On the plus side, Drip scales like super smoothly when your list grows, and you get access to a wider variety of templates. But for most folks looking to save money at the outset, ConvertKit has the pricing edge. Now, let's talk automation. ConvertKit offers a visual automations builder, which honestly feels pretty slick for basic stuff. Their tagging and sequences work great, but as soon as you get into advanced conditional logic, it can get a little, messy. Oh, and if webhooks matter to you, just a heads up, ConvertKit doesn't do those yet. Meanwhile, Drip is kind of the automations nerd's dream. Their builder is drag and drop, you can send and receive webhooks, and the workflow flexibility? Wild. If you want to really nerd out with marketing workflows, especially for e-commerce, Drip takes the win here. Moving on to segmentation and tagging. Both ConvertKit and Drip let you segment by tag and custom fields, so you can get pretty granular. ConvertKit keeps it simple with custom segments, but yeah, the lead scoring is a bit meh. Drip's got advanced tagging, lead scoring, and all that jazz, though I'll say, if you're new to segmentation, it might feel kind of overwhelming at first. But overall, both get the job done, and I'm calling this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Drip was one of the first email marketing platforms to roll out native SMS automation for e-commerce way back in the day? Yeah, they weren't messing around when it comes to giving online stores more ways to talk to their customers. Next up, analytics and reporting. Okay, so with ConvertKit, you get pretty basic campaign stats. They've been improving the reporting tools, but honestly, filtering's kind of minimal right now. In contrast, Drip gives you an analytics dashboard that feels like it's straight out of a marketer's dream. You can do full-on A/B testing, entire design, not just subject lines. They even track website stats. The only catch is, the coolest features are gated on higher plans. If analytics make your world go round, Drip is absolutely the one to beat here. Integrations. Always important, right? ConvertKit totally brings it for creators, with over 320 native integrations. Stuff like WordPress, Teachable, Zapier, the works. But if you're running an e-commerce store, you might find their selection of native e-commerce integrations a bit thin. Drip's got 217 integrations, which, okay, is less on paper, but their connections are deep. Shopify, WooCommerce, even Facebook ads, ready to roll. So if you're all about creator tools, ConvertKit lands ahead. But for dedicated e-commerce, Drip's at least super close. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. E-commerce features. With ConvertKit, you can tag buyers and run basic product campaigns, but that's about it. There's no deep integration with Shopify or WooCommerce. Drip? Oh, it's built for e-commerce from the ground up. Tracks customer lifetime value, has native SMS automations if you're in the US, and just overall feels tuned for online shops. If, like, selling online is your jam, Drip easily takes this category. Ease of use. Okay, so ConvertKit is super friendly if you're doing basic email stuff. Their UI is simple, and the landing page builder is a nice touch, offering 50+ templates. But honestly, building out those advanced automations isn't exactly intuitive, and you'll need to edit templates separately. With Drip, it's like drag, drop, done. The designer feels integrated, and the workflows are seamless, especially if you're new. That said, if you're a power user, it could feel a bit basic. Plus, no landing page builder included. But for most folks who just want to get going, Drip's ease of use shines. Customer support. ConvertKit gives you email, chat, and even a big community to ask questions.
Go for the higher plans and you'll get 24/7 live chat, which is awesome. But yeah, phone support isn't a thing here. Drip comes through with both chat and email, phone support, and even in-app help if you need it. But just so you know, those extras kick in on pricier plans. Still, overall, Drip's support system is a notch above.
So when you stack up all the main categories, pricing, automation, analytics, integrations, e-commerce features, ease of use, and support, the differences start to get real obvious. You see where each product shines and where it's just kinda eh. So what's my take? If you're leaning into e-commerce and want really powerful automation and analytics, Drip's hard to beat. But if you're a creator or blogger who just wants things simple and affordable, ConvertKit is still the champ. Each tool is kinda built for its own tribe. Found this comparison helpful? Don't forget, subscribe for more smart marketing insights. Helps you make the right decision every time.